So Maxbounty, the best CPA marketing platform that's out there right now. Now, I see many beginners struggling to get accepted, so I'm going to be going through the step-by-step right now, okay? Okay, guys, so now that you've put in all your information, basic info, security, contact, address, and all that good stuff, I basically skipped through that because that's not important. What's important is right here, okay? This is the most important part of the sign-up. So I want you to maybe even copy me, okay, maybe try to change it up a little bit, but you can even copy me if you like. So what is your experience? Now, don't put it, I'm a complete beginner. Let's just go, I have some experience and I have received at least one payment from a network, okay? Describe your past experience with affiliate marketing. Now, just maybe even copy me, okay? Hey, nice to meet you. Sorry. My past couple of months, and I have gained decent, I have a lot of experience with affiliate marketing and also CPA marketing. No, wait, let me change this up. I have some a couple of months, and I have received a couple of payments from peerfly and also ad work media. I can safely say that I am experienced and understand fully how CPA affiliate marketing works. Okay, next one. How do you intend to promote the offers? I intend to promote the offers mainly with free organic traffic, which I am going to be driving from my YouTube channel, my Instagram account, and also Facebook. Since I have the most experience with these traffic sources. I will also be promoting these offers with my email list with over 15 or 25k subscribers, and I will also play around with solo ads, testing different types of offers. There we go. What offers are you looking for? Email submits your website URL. So with this, I want you to go to Weebly or Wix and create a simple website, okay? A simple website, I don't know, with your information, your picture or something like that, something really, really simple. So for this example, I'm gonna put in my course page URL. Is this account for incentive traffic? Go for nope. Incentive traffic is basically, you can just read it, okay? I'm not gonna be going too much into detail with that. So is this account for incentive traffic? No. Next. Okay, now I want you to check all these boxes, click next, finish, and this is what's going to be happening right now, okay? You're going to go to your email and confirm your email address. Now, within 24-48 hours, you're going to receive an application review, okay? They're going to be saying that if you got accepted or not. Now, if you followed my steps today and you've basically put in something similar that I have put in, I guarantee that you're going to get approved. Now, when you do get approved, you're going to get a phone interview call. So with this, I really, really highly recommend you. They're going to send you an email with their number and they're going to be calling you within 2 days. Now, the best thing I would do if I was in your situation, and this is what I did, I called them once they sent me their email. Now, call them first, okay? That's the most important step. Call first. Now, if you do this, this is going to mean for them that, okay, they're going to look at you and say, okay, this guy is very, very interested. I think he's going to, I think he wants to get accepted. So I want you to call them first. And the next important step is good English, okay? They're going to be looking for, if you understand what you're talking about, okay? They're going to be asking you a couple of questions, which I'm going to be going through right now. So I want you to have good English, okay? Be professional. Be as professional as possible. And the next step is they're going to ask you questions like this, okay? I'm going to put them below. So I want you to answer these questions. What's your name and ID? Because this is going to be in your email address. This is the first thing they're going to ask you, your name and your ID. You're going to get a simple number once you get approved, and you're going to basically simply just tell them that. Next question, past experience with CPA. Okay, so you're going to tell them your past experience with CPA marketing. You've been a marketer for a couple of months, you understand how the system works. And next thing they're going to ask you is previous networks. You can write this down on a piece of paper. Previous networks, just say you're in peerfly and AdWork Media or something like that, and say that you want to move to Maxbounty because you've heard a lot of good reviews about Maxbounty. Okay, just say something like that, compliment them, and don't be nervous. These are simple answers, simple questions. And then they're going to ask you, what type of offers are you looking for? Simply say email submits, because they're the easiest to convert. Convert. Next question they're going to be asking you is, how much are you looking to make per month? Just say, I don't know, say something over or about $2,000. Okay, this is a question I got, and this is a question I got. Okay, about $2,000. Next thing is, how do you plan on promoting? This is a very, very important question. How do you plan on promoting the offers? Okay, so pick a traffic source, 2 or 3. Okay, say with YouTube, Facebook groups, or don't say YouTube, your channel. You don't have to have a channel. Just say you're going to be promoting them with your YouTube channel. say solo ads and email list. Now, are you going to be direct linking? You're going to be driving traffic to your landing page, and from your landing page, you're going to be redirecting them to the offer. Now, if you answer all of these questions like I showed you right now, I guarantee you're going to be accepted. Make sure to be professional. Don't be nervous. Make sure your English is pretty decent, okay? And yeah, this is the video. This is all you have to do to get accepted to Maxbounty. And I guarantee if you follow all of these steps, you're going to be accepted.